ACL Cables plc sparked to life in 1962 as pioneers of the cable industry in Sri Lanka and has since grown to be the trusted cable giant of the nation. We are the largest cable manufacturer in Sri Lanka with a history of over 50 years in the industry. Throughout our journey, we have maintained our market leadership and stature as the #1 cable manufacturer in Sri Lanka. As a group, we hold a market share of over 70% while enjoying an annual turnover of over 13 billion rupees, which is equivalent to $100 million. ACL secured technology and machinery from Mitsui of Japan at the inception, and that helped us to lay a foundation of quality. In order to upgrade our process technology and management, we continued to hire technical consultants from the UK, the US, Canada, and India. Furthermore, guidance and professional expertise from Mitsui Japan, Nokia Finland, and Alind of India have contributed to development of world-class products and process technologies. Our pioneering spirit is amply reflected by the fact that we pioneered each and every cable manufactured and marketed in Sri Lanka, leaving none to competition. In 1981, we pioneered the production of aluminium conductors with Alind of India. In 1984, we pioneered the production of armored cables with Singaporean and Indian expertise. In 1989, we pioneered manufacture of XLPE, insulated aerial bundle cables, in technical collaboration with Nokia Cables of Finland. In 1993, we pioneered the production of aluminium alloy conductors in Sri Lanka, again in technical collaboration with Nokia Cables of Finland. In 2003, we pioneered the production of flexi cables in Sri Lanka. In 2005, we introduced fire retardant cables to the Sri Lankan market with comprehensive in-house testing facilities. And in 2013, we manufactured fire survival cables for the first time in Sri Lanka. As the market leader, we proudly claim full credit and responsibility for maintenance of the highest standards in the Sri Lankan cable market, benefiting local consumers immensely. We are the only cable company in Sri Lanka with 3 backward integration projects to manufacture various PVC compounds, aluminium and aluminium alloy rods and oxygen-free copper rods. These have benefited ACL Cables in improving quality standards and speed of delivery. Our wide range of cables and conductors include the following: building wires, armored and unarmored power cables, armored and unarmored control cables, aluminium conductors, AAC, ACSR, AAAC, XLPE insulated LV aerial bundle cables, ACL SACs, partially insulated covered conductors, instrumentation cables, fire retardant cables, and fire survival or fire resistant cables. ACL is proud to own a fully equipped state-of-the-art laboratory which can conduct all routine tests, sample tests, acceptance tests and type tests required by the most demanding customers such as Ceylon Electricity Board, Lanka Electricity Company and foreign buyers. We were awarded the ISO 9000 certification in the year 1998 and now hold the ISO 9001-2008 certificate. ACL secured the ISO 14001-2004 certification in the year 2001 purely to be a socially responsible organization. In winning awards too, we have kept the pioneering spirit alive. In 2008, ACL was awarded the topmost award known as the World Class Award by Asia Pacific Quality Organization, having beaten national quality award winners of 46 countries, including the US, Japan, Australia and China. This is a feat that has not been achieved by any Sri Lankan company to date. Purely Due to our prowess in cable technology and wide range, we have won thousands of local and global projects of massive magnitude. Our technology for low voltage XLPE insulated aerial bundled cables or AB cables is unmatched due to superior technology transferred from Nokia Cables of Finland in 1989. In 1999, we upgraded this technology to NFC 33209, which is the most stringent and comprehensive standard for AB cables in the world. Having worked closely with Lanka Electricity Company and their consultants, Becca Woolley of New Zealand, we learned the importance of low voltage distribution technology. This made us the most knowledgeable AB cable manufacturer in the region. This is the reason why in 2003 we were invited by the Reliance of India, distributor of electricity, to 60% of the 14 million people in New Delhi to design and introduce aerial bundled cables to provide electricity to its capital city. Also in Sri Lanka, more than 80% of the aerial bundled cable network is supplied by us. Since the introduction of aerial bundled cables in 1989, we have supplied more than 42,000 kilometers of AB cables. And we're extremely proud about the fact that to this date, we have not had a single complaint or a failure. We have proudly seized the local as well as international markets, exporting cables to projects and electricity distribution authorities in most parts of the world. Some of the countries to which ACL export cables on a regular basis are the United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, Maldives, Mauritius, Tanzania, Liberia, and India. In addition, we are one of the key OEM suppliers in the region to supply cables for the biggest and most renowned cable companies in the world, such as Olex of New Zealand. Since the year 2005, we have pioneered the introduction of a comprehensive range of fire-rated cables. This range now offers a variety of fire retardant cables and fire survival cables conforming to British standards. ACL is proud it remains the only company in Sri Lanka which can comprehensively test the fire-rated cables. We also possess international certificates for these cables. In order to diversify our product offering, we commenced the manufacturing of high-quality switches and sockets under ACL Electric PLC. Keeping in line with company policy, the range we have introduced beats any other available in the market on quality parameters. As Sri Lanka's #1 cable company, it is our mission to continuously innovate and surpass our own standards to honor the trust of our valued customers.